I want to make catechol. And I was some and I was afraid when I say, but you're a man for them, say, remember, Master, I didn't rough no, me peril when I'm a catechol or Sanfra for the third time. Now, I thought it would be a mirror, and I'm there for the mommy uncle. He's in the UK now. With the mouth of Kwame Sofa. Akwess Lumba. And I said, rough no, and you may any pass on. She, to go for J phone, and I was, Patron, when I'm more fast, so I know so. But then Patron, that Lumba near. Now, me person me R0man for the casa. And I say, Lumba, I told you when I say, I was coming up with Lumba. And I was off and me J phone. And me study kakra. And I say, crash it, I say, Papa, we knew need line bia. But we knew need line bia, you know. I naturally love him. I know, right? Don't too much. And you know, I saw him say, Papa, we knew need line bia. And I thought so be na year me rough. And he asked, then I'll pitch him and open up in your mouth. I was like, hey, being sure that we pen your mommy. And I would say, Patron me impatient. I said, Debbie, tell me the open up in your mouth. So we don't say, you know, see, your name, dear, now, me naturally pen, I say, me name no. But me born in your, sir, you know, born in your, sir. And somebody might think, say, Avia or Mammy sick, what we call payola. But I am can't say there's no musician or Ghana being gospel or whatever. I will say, yeah. My sense on my music can't say no me be that. No me be that. So when he said that, you know, I was like, me impatient. Also can be and it's okay. Me person me interview. And he says, me say can be from now. And I say me person me interview. And I say, sir, and I say and I say open in that bay. And I say na 12 February. Ochinechi Wednesday, Thursday. 80 me person me in your interview. Now, woman love message to adult. Yes. And I'll say, sir, and I'm say, also, okay, we have program time, and senior program 2 to 4, 2 to 4. That time now we have time, and senior program 2 to 4, 2 to 4. That time now we have my way. Radio Mercury. Okay. Yeah. Then I told him, say, me per se 2 to 4. And he says, okay, Pacho, remember, into China, that is 13 February. Because our friend on the 12 February. Into the 13th na me come air me nka se me ne me interview and I was David me mean to me I was secret green and I told him say me mean to me nka sa and I say okwa aka say o china me no be interview so there be mean to me nka the reason is say I say na me sir and I say me be mu nche so I say problem. David, me no why say because nipa no nye ne ya nka video call po wa switch say na me no interview Lumba say we dwuma mpani kura no ko deceive view listeners me nka kura po o maka say oboa because on say I mean afi na wo ba o ba da ben you know nipa na mo hu no e say o ye sama hu no ebe o one corner you know him very well so o say o dey okay ntimi nya den na me say okay ne say ade china me ko air o frɛ na me fan to loudspeaker na one kasa can say busan for china blah 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 and he did that. Wow. He called and I did to loudspeaker and also busan for china vowels meaning that R0man father blah 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 and I was like okay so na me sure no and the actually 14 February he got to Radio Mercury Bantima I think 10 minutes to 2 o'clock. And Orlando, I think in a black car. Until I said, we are trying to watch no, you want to say underground. Mercury or underground. It's me, guys, see me by, because Charlie, Lumba wabao. And I say, hey, make sure it's a picture of them. Lumba wabao. I was like, sir, I was shocked, you know. Me want to say, but that was when I think already.
And I wish they can meet me in the main at said the Lumba. Me penasem even though say sometimes me fire me fire obi nyasem tano I want them to change to do better as yenhwe afutuo de atoto mpanifo ne yemfa ntu ye hofo tie dia me che no me ba yemfa ntu ye hofo because ade a ato obi no ebetima ato daddy Lumba anya maasem anko da so tiase anya maasem anko ko hospital akwere o da duro so tie so okọ oh yalie into no call hospital no me ti ameni yalie me nko hospital da hospital awo Ghana wa twetwe Jonas dinwo bukum da no kan bra be expose me nko hospital da including abrochire kra me nko bi da why because me ni yalie So enti yale no boys ameni nam okromu anyina da biom ko ayale ai syphilis no mu ogono no mu wo we no mu wo we da nuro so edi entia because emasem edubeko early grave into area number 1 conform catchem so area number 1 make sure say obek fa oba fa ni specie no emani hu da na uti ache owi ase emani hu da because ohu a competition serious man serious competition man because na dwen say uwu a afi no oba betwe manso ono da bia no bibini ba o twen se obewu on de onwene se on de obewu da bia ne kunu bewu amo ono ayeye nti weda di Lumba yere no bebrebe nyina de na one dada kedi omienu dibom no ono na atu omu nyina aduro dada kedi se first one oto no moto no kwaje no anya konfo na odi ana sofo azanfo na akwaje moto a ukonya moto he nti all the same no daddy Lumba busianfo ni adofo nyina me mo bia ya akọ na we no entu obia afo se wo yo ba e be ma na wo yire ana wo mpena oba de enye problem oba enti se be ma again untie miye se oba wonene nam ana wonene waware no wo yire no mpena no na se husi wakoda wo se be ma foforo nkodi na kan kogya no fast mfre ne bio ofro amen kasa bio